My name is Clifton Flack. I'm the CEO and founder of CiiTECH Limited. I began this business almost 12 months ago when I saw the need for producing quality CBD products for this emerging industry. The world has very much become excited by medical cannabis, but in many countries it's not available. What we saw in the UK is that there's an opportunity where countries might not have the ability or the desire to implement a medical cannabis program, but yet there's products that their population can still make use of. In the UK there's over 300,000 people using CBD. What we wanted to do is to produce products of the medical cannabis quality, standards, backed by science, that we can bring forward to the public. The CBD that we use is actually derived from hemp. The hemp that we use is always one of the 68 EU certified strains. The difference between CBD that we use and the CBD that you'll find in medical cannabis is that ours is 100% legal. The products that we produce have zero or next to zero THC, which means there is no psychoactive effect of the product. One of the problems that people find as medical cannabis patients is they often have no choice but to be high with their medicine. For some people this is okay, but for many people this is a bit of a hindrance to their use of this product. The big challenge for CBD in this industry is not so much the product or the formulation, because we know that CBD is CBD. Whether it's CBD from hemp or CBD from cannabis, CBD is a single molecule. There are other cannabinoids in the plant that you might want to make use of, but what we see the real challenge is how do you get the cannabinoids to the right place at the right time to be as effective as they can be. That might be through sublingual drops, that could be through capsules, or it could be through a topical cream. Cannabidiol has been proven scientifically and medically to be a natural anti-inflammatory. We know for a long time that over 95% of all human disease either begins with or presents as inflammation. CBD, we also know because of the discoveries of Professor Meshulam and his team in Israel, that CBD acts upon the endocannabinoid system. This is a receptor system, part of the central nervous system. It's one of the very few that reaches every single part of the body. If we think of the endocannabinoid system as a train network and CBD as the train carriages, we can consider treating almost any medical condition. Again, the challenge being, how do we get it to the right place at the right time and the right method? We've spent a year developing 3 brands that we're really proud of and that we're displaying at the event today. Our flagship brand is called Provocan. It's what we call a classic CBD. It's CBD in a bottle, very similar to other brands on the market. We obviously believe that ours is a little bit better. We have 2 other brands that we're also showcasing today. One is called Reactive, which is what we call super nutrients with CBD. That's vitamins and minerals optimized with CBD. We also have Cannabi, which is herbal remedies, again optimized with CBD. We believe we have this 3-legged approach to satisfy all potential CBD demands: the pure, the herbal, and the vitamins and minerals. Cannabis has been prohibited for something like over 80 years. And during all these years of prohibition, no one's been able to research the plant. Not in England, not in America. However, in Israel, since Professor Meshulam discovered the cannabinoids over 60 years ago, we've been consistently and constantly researching both in the lab and with human trials. It's generally recognized, certainly amongst industry professionals, that Israel is the epicenter of cannabis research. It's somewhere that the product comes from Israel, it's been developed by Israelis, in Israeli institutions. There's a good chance these products could be of a higher quality than others produced. Our products have been developed in Israel. We source our raw materials from across Europe. We manufacture both in Europe and in the UK. Our products are therefore produced in the best nation possible, by the best minds possible, but then produced to the high European and British healthcare and quality assurance standards. We believe our products are the best in the world. So we've been blown away by the response at the booth. We've been busy from the moment the place opened. The feedback on our messaging, our slogan is inspired by science, and the feedback so far has been great. Professor Meshulam, he often says that every single man, woman and child should consume around 5 milligrams of CBD per day for general health and wellness. Our target market is therefore the world. There's no reason why every single man, woman and child, and in fact dog, horse or any animal should not be using CBD. We believe everybody should be.